Join us, CNC plus AI, machining intelligence for the future. Machine tool development has entered the intelligent era. SIGER Data offers global manufacturers unmanned monitoring and de-measurement solutions for machine tools, and we look forward to partnering with you to advance the industry toward widespread intelligent control. Suzhou, a well-known manufacturing base in China, is home to SIGER Data, which has served tens of thousands of machine tools. By integrating multi-dimensional sensing, machine tool control logic, and advanced AI algorithms, based on a hardware and intelligent algorithm platform, the system has constructed an integrated 4-in-1 solution comprising the tool monitoring system, tool collision protection system, adaptive machining system, and thermal error compensation system. At the perception layer, multiple sensors collect power, vibration, temperature, and displacement signals simultaneously. After add conversion, the E3 Plus Edge computing terminal processes these multi-dimensional signals, enabling a real-time judgment system for machine tools. Independent alarms and an operation screen facilitate instant human-machine interaction and early warning, safeguarding machining accuracy and product quality. Moreover, the system supports multi-language versions including English, Chinese, Russian, and Vietnamese, and can be extended to incorporate other languages. SIGER Data's products have obtained multiple global authoritative certifications, with its technical prowess recognized by the industry. It has served over 1,000 manufacturing enterprises across 20+ sectors. Join us! We offer a one-stop solution from products to technical training. Our global team provides 24/7 remote support to ensure seamless product deployment for clients. SIGER Data invites you to join our team and shape the future of CNC intelligence together. We look forward to your calls and messages. Join us! Pioneer the future of intelligent CNC.